What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And Joe Freshgoods delivered one of the best New Balance I've seen in a long time. New Balance been popping. They've been popping this year, but these are just fire. So, I had to double back after the full review and do a how to style. So if you're new to Sneaker Notes, this is where I put together some pieces to match a sneaker as best as we can. Man, this is a good sneaker. Hit the B-roll. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. So I know a lot of different pinks do have your vintage look at the bottom. That's what make these fire. Let's start with shirts. Yes, sir. The Little Kim Big Mama Supreme Photo Tee. This pink is not the pink that overall over the New Balance, but it's pink and it's dope and it's a queen, Little Kim. This shirt to me, man, was super dope. It had a lot of different colors, but if you're trying to match it with the New Balance, I will go with the pink one or even the black one. The black one, you can show the black one some love too. But we talking pink here, and this shirt is dope. You can still get this resale market, $10, $15 over resale, not that much. I think retail is $58. You might could find it for like $65 to $70 on StockX. Para is known for using pastel colors. The New Balance Joe Freshgoods joint is a pastel sneaker. All three of them. That's why they call performing arts. And this shirt right here screams pastel. Good thing with Para is you have a lot of t-shirts to choose from. Just go to para.com. Kith even has Para, and I think In Clothing. Very affordable. $60, $40, or under $100. Even when they come out, they're under $100. But this one here has the pink pastel look, the vintage pink look. Then you got some more pinks in the graphic. Super dope. But like I said, also affordable. That's what's key. Let me know if you need help finding this, but I just gave you a couple of websites. Para. Staying Para, but going a little crazy, is the Serpent pants. And this is super dope. You have your orange and your blue in there, more pastel colors, but more importantly, you have the pink in there. Now, if you want to go crazy and be the star of the night, I would go with these pants. But if you're a little more reserved, I don't recommend these. I wear these with my Para Dunks because it's actually everything the same color. They serpent just like the design here. But I think you could kill these with the New Balance, even though the New Balance is primarily pink. These will still be fire, especially with the jogger material at the bottom. Look, on them New Balance, super dope. And if you don't like the pants, you can always go with the shorts, cut down on the color a little bit. But same serpent thing. The pants, I think, is like around $200. The shorts, like $120, $130 on Para website. But they might be sold out. I did see these on Grailed. Goat just broke Grailed, so I don't know how that's working yet. But if you want to look for these and you want to find these, let me know in the comment section below. Getting more classy with it is a newie, the OVO terry cloth polo. This material, guys, feels just like a towel out the shower, man. But yeah, you got your OVO owl right there on the inside. It is October, and the pink is beautiful. It gives you that powder pink look, the name of the sneaker. So you can't really lose with this one, guys. Retail, I think, was $75, I believe. Under $100 though. And it's still on the website, ovostore.com. This is it, guys. Next up is the AntiSocial Social Club hoodie. This is my first piece from them, guys. I always see people with these hoodies and I wanted to get one, so I finally got one. The back is all black AntiSocial Social Club, but this is the Martha Stewart collab. And as you can see, it has the pink right in there. Martha Stewart enjoying an oyster with gold and pink glitter all on the photo. The pink writing reads, Martha Stewart, AntiSocial Social Club. The pink is the same pink inside the powder pink joints. Super dope. And guys, I got this from StockX for like $70. Believe it or not. This came out around July or August, and I got it about 3 weeks ago from StockX. And the pink is there, guys. This Mitchell & Ness All-Star jersey here, I was a little reluctant on, but it's not Nike. So now I'm not reluctant anymore. It's straight from Mitchell & Ness, so you're not cross-branding New Balance and Nike. Yes, it's an aqua green, but you get the right hat to match. It'll work perfect. You got a big pink chili pepper there. I think this is the All-Star Game where the Red Hot Chili Peppers performed at the All-Star Game at halftime. This one is Hardaway, but they have Pippen. All them classic NBA players played in this All-Star Game. But the pink outshines in the middle, in my opinion, and that's the same pink inside the New Balance Joe Freshgoods joint. Now, earlier I said, as long as you get the hat to match, it doesn't really matter with the sneakers, and this is what I'm talking about. This is a classic throwback Mitchell & Ness Spurs hat upside down. You don't have to adjust your computer or your TV. It's an upside down joint. Those are becoming real popular. But that pink brim screams Joe Freshgoods Performing Arts powder pink. You also got more pink on the Spurs logo, and you got the pink tip at the top of the hat. I think this is dope if you're willing to go that far. Another solid pick of mine is the Staples New Era fitted hat. The Staples logo on the back is in that pink. You got the bird doodle. If you're from New York, you know how pigeons do. And the bottom of the pigeon feet is also pink. New Era logo's pink. This is just to be settled. You know, there's a lot of pink in that sneaker. Just throwing a black hat with little pieces of pink in it. The Money Team hat. I know Floyd Mayweather's not boxing like that anymore, but this is still super dope. You can get this from his website, or if you're in Las Vegas, they have a store, and it's very affordable. TMT snapback, got the big pink logo on the front, the Money Team. And if you want to go all the way in, I mean all the way in, the Supreme Metallic Strapback hat is the way. Because you got that pink, then you got another pink in a box logo. So this is the way to go, guys, if y'all trying to go all the way in on the Joe Freshgoods joints. And hat clubs been killing. I say that almost every hottest style. But this pink joint right here is super dope. You got your gold. Oh, the Astros actually they beat my Yankees. We ain't gonna talk about it. But yeah, it's the Astros. Nice pink all the way around with your gold hits. This is a dope hat. But actually, Hat Club just dropped this pink, the pink set of hats. I forgot what his name. I think it's called Strawberry. I brought 2 hats, but Hat Club takes a while to get to me. They're in Arizona. But when they come, I'll show y'all in a different video. But right now, we have this Astros one here in that pink. Looks just like art to me. Yes, sir. Yeah, guys, so that's just a couple of quick looks to match these fire pink pretty sneakers, man. Shout out to anybody who's been dealing with breast cancer, family member, they self, man. I'm pushing for you. Stay strong. That cancer sucks, man. But this sneaker is super dope, guys. If you need any help finding anything I showed y'all in this video, let me know. I hit you right back. I'm not a computer. I'm here for y'all, guys. Really. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.